everyone, it's Becca for level 4 and today we're going to use comparatives in questions when we talk about renting an apartment. So we're bringing everything together and we will do more practice on this. I am going to give you some very good sentences and questions. They will be below, but please write them down because they are so important, and we will talk about this in the lesson in a few months. Okay, so when we rent an apartment, you might see two apartments and you want to compare them, or two houses and you want to talk about which is better. So I have some examples here. Which apartment is better or bigger or cheaper or smaller? This is super easy. You just add ER on all the words. So which apartment is better, bigger, cheaper or smaller? And then you can also say which house has more facilities. So if we remember, facilities is like swimming pool, garden, washing machine, things that are extra. TV. We can also use superlatives when we talk about houses. So if we remember, superlatives are like most, biggest, best. So we could say which house has the best Wi-Fi or the biggest garden, okay? But today we will only talk about comparatives. So, show you this one more time. Which house has more facilities? So maybe one house has a garden, but the other house has parking and a washing machine, so that house has more facilities. And then we have some more sentences. Ooh. So, which landlord asks for a cheaper deposit? Which landlord asks for a cheaper deposit? So, do we remember? Landlord is the person who owns the apartment and you give them money to live there. Okay? And deposit is the money that you pay before you live there. So you have your rent and then you pay the deposit one time. So often it's like 200 euros and you pay that at the start. Okay? This one is super easy. Which house has a bigger garden? Which house has a bigger garden? And you can use this for everything. Which house has a bigger bedroom? Which house has a bigger kitchen? It's, yeah, which house is bigger basically. Which house is in a quieter neighbourhood? If we remember, neighbourhood is like the area that you live in. And then which apartment is better for my budget? Which apartment is better for my budget? If we remember, budget is the amount of money that you can spend on something. So if you are looking for an apartment and the most you can pay is 300 euros a month, that is your budget. That's the absolute top. Okay? So these are good sentences. Try and learn them because they will come in useful. I will put them down below and some homework. Okay, bye!